and this beautiful life. Also, I'd like to thank my principal ma'am for giving us this opportunity that we all can share our happiness and thoughts with each other. 2-3 days back, I read something and I thought I should share it with all of you. Once there was a teacher and he did an experiment in his school. He gave a toffee to each and every student of his class and said, please eat it, but after 10 minutes. And after saying this, he went outside the class. There was silence in the class and the students were getting tempted towards the toffee, but they were trying to stop themselves from eating it. Then finally 10 minutes got over and the teacher came back to the class and he analyzed the class. And he found only 7 students were there who didn't eat their toffees and their toffees were lying as it is on the table. And rest of the class was discussing about the flavor and the color of the toffee. The teacher took out a pen and a diary and he noted down the names of those 7 students, and as usual he started teaching. Sorry. The name of this teacher was Professor Walter. After many years, not many, few years, Professor Walter took out the same diary out and saw that page on which he has written the name of those 7 students, and he started searching for them. And after a lot of effort, he found that all those 7 students were doing great in their lives. They have achieved a lot and they were successful in their work fields. After this, Professor Walter decided to analyze the remaining students also of the class. He started searching for them also, and after a lot of effort and dedication, he found that all of them were struggling in their life. They were having economic crisis in their life. In short, they were not happy in their life. The result of this experiment, Professor Walter gave in one line. He said, the person who cannot even have patience for 10 minutes cannot progress in life. This experiment was named as marshmallow theory. Guess why? Because the toffee which the professor gave to the students, its name was marshmallow. The important thing to be noted down here is that patience is that quality which an individual needs to be successful in life. And this Republic Day also is an evidence of patience only. How patiently our forefathers analyzed the diversity of this country, analyzed everybody's perspective, and then they took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to give us this beautiful constitution on which more than 1 billion people of this country are being governed today. Also, they were so kind and generous that they gave us the facility to amend it whenever we required. So guys, the most important thing which I want to bring into your notice is that today in this era of machines, where we are surrounded by machines, we do everything very quickly. This has given us an attitude of quickness, fastness. We nowadays don't analyze anything or anyone, and we give our verdict about them very quickly. And this attitude has developed in us a habit of criticism. And we sit and we criticize. We criticize our family members, our relatives, our job, our boss, our co-workers, and sometimes we reach till God. And we slander about anyone without knowing the repercussions of our words on them and on ourselves too. So, today I just want to urge that please shift your focus from criticism to appreciation, from problems to solution. Let us put our energy in finding what can be done and what not has been done. So, let us have an attitude of gratitude instead of having an attitude of criticism, because we are really blessed. Let us actually count our blessings, because some people are there in the world, their dream is to live a life like you all. So, I have made a small slogan, or you can say a formula to remember this thing in my mind. as I am a maths teacher, a small maths teacher. Analyze, realize, and exercise. First of all, analyze the things, people, situations, circumstances, the whole scene before coming to any conclusion about them. Secondly, realize. Realize your capacity, capability, ability, what you can do about it, and realize your role as a parent, as a citizen, as a teacher, and most importantly, as a human being. And finally, exercise it. If you can do something about it, then go ahead and do it. Don't wait. Do the needful, do the right. You're most welcome. And my message to all you, lastly, I want to say that before being critical and judgmental about anything, be a bit more analytical and logical. And if you forget this, just remember the marshmallow theory. And lastly, I would say, genius is not someone who has the answer for every question, but genius is someone who has the patience to get to the answer for every question. You all heard me so patiently. I'm really grateful to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.